Typescript.tsserver.pluginPaths. Additional paths to discover TypeScript language service plugins. Requires using TypeScript 2.3.0 or newer in the workspace. So what are TypeScript language service plugins? Essentially, as this page shows, what's a language service plugin? TypeScript language service plugins are for changing the editing experience only. So if you want to create a plugin that adds some feature to the experience of editing TypeScript, then and you don't yet have that as a VS Code extension, you can just set the path to your plugin here and it will work. Now this is a fairly technical setting, so I'm not going to demonstrate it like I do for the other settings, but I'm guessing that if you know enough to create a TypeScript language service plugin, you probably won't have any trouble with this setting right here.